Here are the two schools for tonight's show. The number 25 seed, St. George's College from Kingston, up against the number 40 seed, St. Andrew Technical High, or Staths, from St. Andrew. This is Schools Challenge Quiz. St. George's College is represented today by Stefan Mingos, Nathaniel Foster, Roshane Gilpin, and team captain John Mark Young. And St. Andrew Technical High is represented by Ruel Ellis, O'Dane Hutchinson, team captain Jamal Mikalski, and Tyreek Barnett. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello and welcome to the 7th match here in round 1 of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Manu, and your judges this evening are Ave McIntosh for the sciences and Mrs. Teresa Easy for the arts. It all comes down to this. High schools from across the island have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's get into the action. It's time for the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss. St. George's won and decided to let St. Andrew Technical, or Staths High, go first. So, we begin with St. Andrew Technical. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so please may I have that time on the clock. Staths, Bible knowledge. Which king of Israel did the Queen of the South travel to see?
Solomon.
Solomon. Correct. Bible knowledge for St. George's. Which Hebrew woman became the Queen of Persia?
Esther.
Esther.
That's right. International affairs, a visual one for Staths. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Japan. Shinzo Abe.
Judges, Shinzo... The wrong answer came first. That's the Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe. International affairs for St. George's College. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Xi Jinping.
Xi Jinping.
Chinese president. Correct. Biology for Staths. What is the name for the pointed protective sheath covering the emerging shoot in monocotyledons?
Stepal.
Incorrect. Coleoptiles. Biology for St. George's. How many vascular bundles do coleoptiles have?
6.
Incorrect. 2. Music and audio clue for Staths. Listen to the following clip and identify this singer.
Bruno Mars.
That's right. Music for St. George's. Listen to the following clip and identify this singer.
To you.
Adam Levine.
Maroon 5, judges. English language for Staths. Spell reconnaissance.
RECONNOSCNCE.
That's incorrect. RECONNAISSANCE. English language for St. George's. Spell vengeance.
VENGEANCE.
That's right. Theatre and cinema, a visual one for Stath. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Samuel Jackson.
That's right. Theatre and cinema for St. George's. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Eddie Murphy.
Eddie Murphy.
That's right. General knowledge for Staths. What is the capital of New Zealand?
Wellington.
That's right. General knowledge for St. George's. What is the capital of Australia?
Canberra.
Canberra.
That's right. Geography for Staths. In which country is the Yellow River?
China.
That's right. Geography St. George's. What is the only river longer than the Yellow River in China?
Yangtze.
Correct. Sport or visual for Staths. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Michael Johnson.
Michael Johnson.
Incorrect. Michael Phelps, retired U.S. Olympian sport for St. George's. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Rafael Nadal.
That's incorrect. Ryan Lochte, former U.S. Olympic swimmer. Chemistry for staffs. How many carbon atoms are in butane?
Butane. 4.
4.
That's right. Chemistry for St. George's. How many carbon atoms are in propane?
3.
3.
Good. Mathematics for stats. What is the median of 21, 17, 19, 18, 12, and 14?
16.
And you ran out of time there, so the question goes to St. George's College.
17.5.
Very good. Mathematics for St. George's to the nearest whole number. What is the mean average of 49, 38, and 77?
164.
Incorrect, 55. And that bell signifies the end of the opening challenge for this evening. St. George's, by the way, your answer, Adam Levine, for the music question was correct. Maroon 5, Adam Levine is indeed the lead singer for Maroon 5. That's the end of the speed challenge. Scores are St. Andrew Technical High on 6 points, St. George's College on 9 points, just ahead. It's time. Not yet, not yet. It's time to pause now for the Digicel viewer's question. Our viewer's question comes from the category Local Affairs. The question is, who is the president of the Jamaica Teachers Association? Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 876-422-QUIZ. That's 876-422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Stay with us. School's Challenge Quiz 50 returns right after this.